Hello guys, my name is Surajit Day and you're watching my YouTube channel ECONOMATRIX Day. Today we are going to study class 10 mathematics. So without wasting further time, let's start the class.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Now students, this is chapter 15 probability of class 10 and this is the second part of probability chapter. Okay, so today we are going to solve exercise 15.1. Okay, and in exercise 15.1 the first sum is sum number A, choose the correct option. So you can see in your textbook also, choose the correct option. So we are going to solve this one. Okay. Now those who have not watched the previous part, that is part 1, you can watch it. The link I have shared in the description below as well as in the I button. So let us come back to the sum. So the first sum is telling a bag contains 4 red and 6 black balls. Okay. So in a bag, there are how many red balls? No, 4 red balls. Okay. And how many black balls? 6 black balls. Okay. So we have to, if I want to do the solution, but for MCQ, you don't need, okay, there is no need to do solution. You can do in rough, in a shortcut way, okay. But still then, I will do the solution, okay, so that you can understand how it is being solved, okay. So first of all, total number of possible outcomes. Now that is n. So how many balls are there in the bag? 4 red and 6 black balls. So 4 plus 6. So what you get? 10. So total 10 balls are there. Now the next question is, a ball is taken out of the bag at random. That means you are taking your hand and picking one ball from the bag. Okay. Now then the probability of getting. Now the question, here is the question, probability of getting a black ball. That means what is the probability that the ball which you take out will be black. Okay. So number of favorable outcome of getting. Then I have already told you that after that there is dot dot dot. So here what we will say? We will say number of favorable outcome of getting a black ball. Okay. Only this part will change, of getting a black ball. Okay. And that is in short M. Okay. And what we will write? How many black balls are there? 6. So we will write 6. Now we will put the formula. So what is the formula? Now PE equal to M by N. PE means what? Probability, and E means event. What is the event? Here the probability of the event of getting a black ball. So black ball is what? 6, and total number of balls is what? 10. So 6 by 10. So this is the answer, but we can reduce it into lowest terms. How? We can cut it. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So what you get? 3 by 5. Clear? So now this 3 by 5 is matching with which answer? Number Roman 3. So how we will write the answer? Answer 1 Roman 3, and the answer is 3 by 5. So like this way you have to represent the answer for MCQ type questions. Okay. Now the second sum, let us see. Question number 2. A die is thrown once. Okay. The probability of getting a number less than 3 is. Now first of all, a die. What is a die? All of you have played Ludo. So in the Ludo you will see the die, okay, how it looks like a cube. Understanding or no? It looks like a cube, like this way. Let me draw. Okay. Now suppose this is 1, this is 3, and this side is suppose 4. Okay. So in a cube, how many faces are there? 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number of possible outcomes will be 6. We will find out the solution. So first we will write total number of possible outcomes, okay, and that is n. And how many? Total faces are 6, so outcomes also will be 6. Now number of favorable outcomes of getting. Now dot dot dot, okay. Now dot dot dot, what we will write here? Here what is the question? The probability of getting, that means find the probability of getting. Here is the question, a number less than 3. So less than 3. So of getting a number less than 3. So that is m. So less than 3, what numbers are there? 1 and 2. Okay. So only 2 numbers. So we will write 2. So therefore, PE, that means probability of the event of getting a number less than 3. So how much it will be? We will put the formula, and m is what? 2 and n is 6. We can reduce it into the lowest terms. So what we will do? 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So what you get? 1 by 3. So this is the answer. But as we are solving MCQ, we will not write the answer in this way. How we will write? We will write answer. This is question number 2, 2. Now 1 by 3, it is matching with which one? Roman 1. So Roman 1, 1 by 3. Clear? If you like my channel, then please give a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe it. And press the all notification bell so that whenever I upload such videos, you will get the notifications first. Okay. Now question number 3. So what it is been telling? Question number 3, a bag contains, okay, so again a bag, okay, contains 5 red balls and some blue balls, okay. So if I want to start the answer, number of red balls, okay, number of red balls, how many? 5, clear. And some blue balls, some, you don't know how many, okay. So what we will write? Let number of blue balls be x. You can say it is x, okay, and you can write here say, okay. That means you are thinking that the number of blue balls is x. Now let us see. If the probability of drawing a blue ball, now one condition is told, if the probability of drawing a blue ball from the bag. So probability of drawing a blue ball means only, it means, what is the condition given? We can say one condition by the problem. See, probability in short I am writing, okay, probability of blue ball, okay, probability of drawing a blue ball, that means probability of blue ball is, that means equal to, okay, what is means equal to thrice that of a red ball. Thrice that of a red ball, thrice that of a red ball means 3 times, okay. So 3 into, okay, 3 times of a red ball means what? probability of a red ball. So, probability of a red ball. Clear? Now, probability of blue ball is what? The formula is what? M by N. Okay. So, N means the total. So, total number of balls are what? Red ball is 5, blue ball is X. Okay. So, total number of possible outcomes, and that is what? N. N is how much? N is 5 plus X. Clear? Now, that will come below 5 plus X. And how many blue balls? If I want to find out the probability of blue ball, then how many blue ball is there? X. So, I will write here X equal to 3 into, again this one, probability of red ball, total will be downside 5 plus X, and red ball is how many? It is 5. So, I will write 5. Now, I will put this one in bracket. Okay. Now, you see this is in denominator, this is also in denominator, and it will cut. So, what you get? X is equal to 3 into 5. So, what is left? X equal to 15. That means number of blue balls is what? 15. Now, it is matching with which one? Roman 2. So, how we will write it? Answer 3 Roman 2 15. So, like this you have to represent the answer for MCQ type questions. Okay. Now, let us come to the fourth question. Okay. 2 dice are rolled once. So, 2 dice, not only 1, 2 dice are rolled once. So, you have to remember when 2 dice, so suppose if this is 1 dice, okay, and this is another dice. Just roughly I am drawing the diagram, okay. And if you roll, what you will get here? Here also one number, suppose 1, here 1. So, 1, comma 1, okay. So, when 2 dice are rolled, then how many outcomes will be there? For 1 dice, we know that there are 6 outcomes, and for the second dice, okay. So, this is also one single one, here also 6 outcomes, but when they are rolled together, then what happens? The outcomes become 6 into 6, 36. Clear or no? This, how it is becoming 36, we will be solving afterwards other questions. That time I will tell you nicely. But for MCQ, for now, for the time being, you understand that when 2 dice are rolled, so how many outcomes are there? 36, 6 into 6. So, first I will write total number of possible, okay, total number of possible outcomes, okay, and that is what? N. N is how much? 6 into 6, 36, okay. Then the next sentence will be number of favorable outcomes of getting. So, this sentence is common for all the sums. After that, it is changing. What we will write here? Let us see the question. The probability of getting such numbers on 2 dice whose product is a perfect square. So, here is the question. That means they are asking what is the probability of getting numbers on 2 dice whose product, when you multiply, then the number will be a perfect square. So, let us see. So, we will write this one: favorable outcome of getting such numbers or such numbers on 2 dice whose product is a perfect square, okay, whose product is a perfect square, and that will be M. Now, perfect square means what? Suppose 1, it is a perfect square. Why? Because 1 can be represented as 1 square, okay. Again, after that 4, is a perfect square. You can represent as 2 square. After that, 9 is a perfect square. You can represent as 3 square. Then 16, this is also a perfect square, 4 square. After that, 25, you can represent it as 5 square. Clear now? So, these are perfect square. Then you can write 36, this also can be represented as 6 square. Clear now? So, what are the outcomes? Okay. So, now here the favorable outcomes will be, first one will be 1, 1, next one 2, 2, next one 3, 3, next one 4, 4, next one 5, 5, and next one 6, 6. Okay. Now, after this also some more numbers are there. What? You can write 1, 4, see 1 into 4, 4, 4 means 2 square, okay, and another one 4 into 1, okay. So, 4 comma 1. So, 4 and 1 is what? 4 into 1, 4, that means 2 square. So, total how many outcomes we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, what we are getting? 8. Clear up to this much? Now, we will find the answer. So, let me do it here. So, therefore, PE is what? What is the formula? M by N. So, M is how much? 8. N is how much? 36. Now, we can cut it, okay, or we can reduce it. So, 4 2s are 8, 4 9, okay, 4 9s are 36. So, what we are getting? 2 by 9. Now, let us see which one is the answer, with which answer it is matching. This, no, this, no, this, no. Yes, here Roman 4. Okay. So, we will write answer 4, Roman 4, 2 by 9. Clear up to this much? Okay. Now, we will move on to the next sum. Okay. If you like my channel, then please give a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And also press the all notification bell so that whenever I upload such videos, you will get the notifications first. And don't forget to comment, and I will try to reply you. Okay. Now, let us come back to the next question, question number 5. So, question number 5 is telling a card is drawn at random. So, this is a card sum. Okay. A card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of playing cards. Okay. So, in a card packet, how many cards are there? Number of cards? It is 52. Okay. So, what we will write? Total number of possible outcomes. So, total number of possible outcomes n, and it is how many? 52. Then the second sentence, what we used to write? Number of favorable outcome of getting, then dot dot dot. Now, in this dot dot dot, what we will write? See the question, the probability that the card, so here is the question, the probability that the card drawn is neither a king nor a queen. That means, number of favorable outcome of getting a card drawn is neither a king nor a queen. Okay. And this is M. So, how much it will be, or how many it will be? Number of favorable outcome of getting a card drawn is neither a king nor a queen. So, in a packet of cards, there are total 52 cards, and out of those 52, 4 cards are king and 4 are queen. Okay. So, they are telling neither a king nor a queen. That means, when you take out the one card from a packet of cards, then it should not be king also, it should not be queen also. That means, we have to not take king also, we have to not take queen also. Then how many are remaining? Those only will be the favorable. Okay. So, it will be 52 minus 4 minus 4. So, how many comes? 52 minus 4, it is 48. Again 48 minus 4, it is what? 44. Clear? Now, we will put the formula. Therefore, PE equal to, that means probability of an event of a card drawn is neither a king nor a queen. Okay. And that is m by n. So, m is how much? 44 and n is what? 52. So, this is the answer, but we can reduce it. Okay. So, if I want to reduce, so I will cut with 4, suppose 4 ones are 4 ones. So, it is going with 4 and downside also it will go with 4, 4 ones are 4, 1 carry. So, 12, 4 3s are 12. So, what you get? 11 by 13. So, let us see it is matching with which option? Option 1? Yes, it is matching with option 1. No need of seeing second, third, fourth, matching with option 1. So, how we will write the answer? Answer 5, Roman 1, 11 by 13. Clear? So, all the MCQs, first 5 MCQs in your textbook, okay, I have solved. So, keep on practicing, okay, and we will again meet in the third part with the next question, okay. So, thank you for watching my video. Keep smiling. Take care. Bye bye.